We got interesting reversal for Beyond Meat for today, guys. So this is might be the turning point for another squeeze because we have unusual buyers coming in, a big whale buying, not just even for Beyond Meat, but for the whole market after the huge pullback that happened last few days. So let's get right to it. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you exactly what's going on. Right now, 4% because we got near this whale entry zone around 95, as we discussed from yesterday, guys. Now we're still inside this channel, which is still bearish because the major seller came in around the 160 around the beginning of December. We pulled back, we tested again around the 5th of December, we test again here for the resistance around the 10th of December, and now the 16th of December. After even almost 5 days, we got a test for the sellers. Now we have a hidden seller that we should break, guys, to confirm a breakout, and at least the first squeeze up is the $1.21. Now we are up 4%, so we need another 10%. So in total, if we see 15% is mean Beyond Meat started squeezing. Now it's 4%, so we're just missing 10% for the squeeze or around the 121. So what we should expect now, we don't want to have the third rejection, which is here around the 120, 121. If we have a test and rejection, is mean we're not ready. Is mean the short seller is still strong. However, if this time we break this white line or around this orange line, is mean we're gonna have a parabolic price action up. First, we're gonna do another 13%, so this is will give us almost 30%, and here will give us another 30%, so in total will be 60%, and then we go toward the $2 territory, then the 3 before the end of this year will be the best case scenario if we have the $2 or $3 before the end of this year. As we discussed before, why the $3? Because the $3 will give us the green percentage gain wise yearly. We're gonna be in the green, not in red, because everybody care about their yearly return for the stock. So Beyond Meat is now over the $1. This is good. We still holding the 94 as we discussed. This is the whale entry zone, and we're going to confirm that the whale entered if we broke today, guys, not even tomorrow, over that $1.21, which is the squeeze zone. Let me know, guys, in comment section below, are we going to have the squeeze today or before the end of this week for Beyond Bean? Because we got almost 2 weeks before 2026. So everybody have an eye on Beyond Meat right now. So 5% is good because the last few days we are kind of trending or baraccoding down.